achieve anything. That's the way the politics works.
Dr. M. Amprin Lyngdoh condemned the banned Hnlc'S National Liberation Council (Hnlc) for attempting to dictate political affairs from the jungle. She challenged the group to participate in the electoral process rather than issue directives. Lyngdoh emphasized the NPP's growing political presence across Meghalaya, stressing its inclusive vision with representation from various communities.
You can't, from the jungle, decide on what happens in government. Come and play the elections. Please contest these elections. Come. Be in position while you give your opinions. I mean, what is this diktat? I don't understand what they mean. I have not seen the statement myself. But you cannot continue to be a bogus player again and again. Come to the field. Nothing stops you from contesting any election. Or are you in cohort with some party? Which is this political party that you're supporting? Let us know. May as well tell the people straight then. XYZ group wants to be in combination with XYZ party. I mean, if people didn't vote for the NPP in the MLA, that's not our problem. But you need the numbers in the assembly. I mean, without the numbers, who's saying what? Do not infuse this communal mindset. We have to unite to fight collectively against the oppressor. Do not oppress us further and divide us further.
The Government of India and the Asian Development